Welcome everyone. This video will be a top 5 accessories for your camera, and this is all just my opinion and the orders don't matter. So let's get to the first one. My number one is going to be by Peak Design. It's actually 2 items. We got one right here. It's the wrist strap. All you do is you take the things that you go on the side of your camera, you put them in here, you slide them on, and it just goes like that. Also, instead of number 2 is by Peak Design also, and it's the camera strap. So like this, you slide them on. This is about 50 bucks, and this is about, I believe, 25. And I use them basically every day when I use my camera. My number 2 spot is going to be a memory card holder by the company Ruggard. I got on B&H for 7 bucks. Cheap, use it every single day. Holds 4 memory cards, and that's all you really need. My number 3 spot is going to be a battery grip. It's by a company Neewer. I'm sure everyone knows about it. They sell a bunch of camera and photography stuff, so I actually got this for like 60 bucks. Way better than basically just buying something by Sony, which is like $350. Before we get into my number 4 on the list, I just want you guys to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. I have a goal set for 1,000 subs, and I also have a good thing coming up whenever I reach that. So let's get to number 4. So number 4 on my list is a 4-pack. I believe it's 4-pack. Yeah, 4-pack of Neewer battery holders. I got this for I think like $14, $15 on Amazon. It holds all 4 batteries for the A7 III. It's right here. So I got all those batteries right there. Oh, it's missing one because I'm using it right now, but it's very cheap, easy to use. Make sure no batteries are everywhere in your camera bag. So top to number 5. My last on my list of the top 5 accessories will be the Ruggard camera filter pouch. Holds 4, I believe, and I believe it's up to 86 millimeters I can hold up to. So I have a couple CPL, UV filters in here, and bought it for 14 bucks on B&H. Cheap, easy to use, easy to store. That's about it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I really appreciate it. And if you like my content, hit that like button. If you like it again, hit that subscribe button. If you like it again, hit that follow button on my Instagram. And whatever you saw today will be linked down below. And I hope you guys have a good holidays. See you guys later.